I did end up taking off the RPF ones and selling them. We are all done. Looks pretty good. The lip looks pretty darn good. That's one way to start the video, right? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are currently on the way to my boy's house. I'm gonna go pick up a jack because we actually share a jack. It's kind of funny. I need to buy my own. We're gonna go pick up the jack and also show you guys something that happened to the other boosted Z that is on my channel. Kind of sucks. It is currently 12:26. I texted him like a minute ago that I'm outside. Let's see how long it takes for him to come outside. Meanwhile, he comes outside. Let's go ahead and see what happened to the Z. Is it already on? Yep. So, as you guys might see, there is a bumper, and that is not the same color as the car. He crashed it. It's crazy, bro, that he's trying to sell it and this happens. I mean, it wasn't that bad of a crash. I guess the bumper just wasn't on right. He came loose and he ran it over. Let's see if right now he opens the garage and I should be able to show you guys the bumper and the damage. If not, I'm gonna insert a video right here.
Dog, there's no way. Literally no way, bro.
That's crazy, bro. I was telling him that is low-key a sign that God does not want you to sell this car. He wants you to keep building it and keep it, but he's still selling it. So now I guess he just has to wrap the bumper and I mean it'll be back to normal pretty much. But that sucks, bro. It's crazy that he's trying to sell it and this happens, like out of all times. He doesn't really drive. He hasn't driven it like in 2 years. He starts driving it randomly because he's gonna sell it or whatever, and that happened. 12:33. Barely coming up. Alright guys, I'm back home now. I don't think I mentioned it in the videos, but I have a few parts here up for grabs if anybody needs them or wants them. I have the heads that were on the motor that I'm actually currently building for the Z. I'm not using them. They're VHR heads. It's not compatible with this. So if anybody wants some VHR heads, it's perfect for somebody that wants to port them but not have to take out their actual heads. That way you could just slap them on already ported and save yourself the downtime. If any fast guys wants them, $500 our best offer. Honestly, it should be an offer. I don't really need them. They're just sitting here. Or if you guys want this lower intake manifold for your VHR as well, should be an offer. $100 or best offer takes it. And besides these two things, I also have some valve covers if anybody needs them. You could just shoot me an offer for any of these three things. Like I said, I'm not using them. I don't have a use for them. They're just sitting here. So if there's any fast guys out there that wants this, so they won't have to be like me and having their car sit in the garage forever, just DM me on Instagram.
The next day.
Alright guys, it is now the next day. I did end up taking off the RPF ones and selling them. I just didn't pick up the camera because I woke up super early and I was low-key in a rush. The guy was actually waiting for me, so I was not trying to have him wait longer than he had to. So the RPF ones are finally gone. Now I just gotta figure out what wheels I'm gonna put on the front of this car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna just put the Nismos back in the front and get like another set of wheels for this car, or even stocks and try to sell it, or get like some TEs or something. That's the goal. Find some TEs, find a pair of TEs for a good price, which is gonna be hard because everybody be freaking taxing on those wheels now. But yeah, I don't know what I should do. I'm kind of leaning towards the idea of getting the Nismos back on here just so I could put some stocks on here and actually try to sell it, or at least test the waters on it, see if I can get rid of it, because I want something faster. And yes, I already know what you guys are thinking. Those little brakes, yes, I'm going to be changing those out soon as well with some drilled and slotted rotors as well. So this is going to go bye-bye. Need some Acabonos. Oh yeah, before I forget, another little update on this car. The pistons and rods actually arrived last week and the block was sent out last week with them as well. So we got progress. The car should be back in, I would say, a month tops, probably even sooner. I'm super excited, bro, to try this car again. You guys have no idea how much it hurts me seeing it like this, all dusty, all dirty. But for this part of the video, I am gonna install the lip on the Q50 yet again. I've installed it like 3 different times already, and it's flown off every single time. Well, one time it was actually on really good. Like I was on the freeway doing 100 plus in Mexico, obviously, and it didn't fly off. Everything was good. Just that I ran over a piece of a tire on the street. Like I couldn't swerve out of it, bro. It was too late. I ran it over and it took the lip with it. Ever since then, I installed it one more time and it flew away like probably like 10 minutes into the drive. So I'm gonna try, I guess, to take my time with it. Before you guys say, oh, use 3M tape. No, it doesn't. I don't think it needs 3M tape, just because, like I said, the time that it was on good, it was just bolted. And plus, if I use 3M tape, it kind of curves kind of weird. It's kind of weird. But with that being said, I'm gonna jack up the car and just install this thing. Oh yeah, so it's funny. I bought 2 of these lips, right? The last time it flew off, I think it was this part. This part actually like stayed on the freeway, right? And since I had another one, I had this part brand new, pretty much. So I'm piecing up a lip from 2 lips, if that makes sense. But anyways, let's go ahead and jack this thing up. Oh look, I opened this box and it looks like I have another of this like side lip thing or whatever. I'm gonna see which one's in better condition. It's kind of messed up, but I think this one might be better than the one that I was gonna use. Yeah, I think it is better. I mean, I don't really care. Like I said, I don't know if I've said this before, but this lip literally cost me 30 bucks. So, I mean, can't ask for too much, I guess. It's nothing but plastic. They're both almost the same. I think this one, the one on the bottom, might be a little bit better though. So I'm gonna use this one. So here's the lip. There's some little holes down here if you guys can see. So you like put it in, whatever. That's what she said. And then you just drill it. So as you guys see, I already did one. Now I just pretty much gotta do the process out of these 4. And it'll be together in one piece. That easy. Not sure if you guys were able to see that, but this side's pretty much on. Now just following the rest of it. Sick ass fool.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright guys, we're pretty much done. I'm looking to hurry now because I gotta get ready for work. Ouch. Let's go on a little drive, see if it flies off. Hope it doesn't fly off. So far so good. We are all done. Looks pretty good. The lip looks pretty darn good. I think I'm gonna get another one though, because I'm not a fan of like this thick plastic. But like I said, it was 30 bucks, so I can't really expect too much. Oh, look at Z. Nismo too. Sick ass dude. So I think I'm gonna get like those, it's pretty much the basic Q50 lip. But it looks alright, I guess, for 30 bucks. That being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry if I did a sucky job at recording me install it. I was looking to hurry because I have to go to work right now, but if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys will be later whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Let's see how long this lip lasts me.